Hello and welcome. Today in this video, we're going to be discussing ways to find answers and get assistance when using Tekla Structures. Specifically, tips and best practices for contacting Tekla support to help you get faster resolutions if the need arises. So now, let's begin. Whether it's a question you've tried to answer on your own, or an issue or unexpected result you're not quite sure how to handle, our support team is available for assistance. Contacting them can be done via email or right through Tekla Structures. To initiate a support request, just navigate to the File menu, Help, and then Contact Support. Once you do so, the submission form will pop up for you to populate. The fields immediately available here are for you to describe your issue or concern and to give steps that the support specialist can recreate it. If you don't have an issue and it's more of a question, you can use the lower field to populate. The description is probably the most important part of submitting your request. Providing detail here can greatly help in getting your issue a prompt resolution. The more information the support team has when receiving your initial request, the faster they are going to be able to offer a resolution or suggested alternatives. Lack of detail, such as a single sentence description, can often result in several communications back and forth just to understand the problem. This can delay receiving an appropriate answer and add time to the overall resolution. Some tips for problem descriptions include: be brief, clear, and concise. Detail is very helpful, but refrain from digression or offering too many opinions. Stick to the facts and offer feedback on the discussion forums or in further discourse with the support specialist after they've reached out directly. Also, include what steps you have taken to fix or resolve the issue yourself. This is very helpful to the support specialist. Knowing what you have already tried can help focus the efforts of the specialist and get you results faster by not suggesting steps you have already attempted. If your contact information differs from what is shown at the top of the dialog box, ensure to include the best way to contact you. Also, ensure to include times in which you would be able to receive communication. If you know you'll be out at the office or on a job site for most of the morning, communicate that in the description so our team can reach out at the best appropriate time. If you have a question rather than an issue, these tips still apply and can be helpful in getting you a response quickly. Once you've completed the description and other information, the next screen asks which files you wish to share with our support team. By default, everything in the model is selected. If you're unsure what to share, just check the All box and then hit the Next button. By sharing these files, you provide a confidential copy to our team to help triage your issue, should it be needed. If you have taken screenshots and labeled them outside of Tekla or wish to provide additional documentation, you can do so by using the Add Extra Files button at the top. Now, the last screen in the dialog is a summary of your issue and what you are providing to the team. Review this and then click the Create Case button down on the lower right. When contacting support, there are a few factors to keep in mind. The U.S. support team is located on the East Coast of the United States in Georgia and operates Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and works on cases within these hours. When you submit a support ticket, you will receive an automated confirmation email, regardless of the method you use to submit your ticket. This email will contain a ticket confirmation number and is usually received within 10 to 15 minutes after submission. Also, support cases are handled on a first-come, first-served basis. You should submit your ticket before you reach out to another contact, such as your account manager, if you wish to inform them of your current situation. Not doing so could delay the response to your concern or question. Also, keep in mind that each case is specific to a single issue. If you have multiple issues or questions, each needs to be submitted independently. Not doing so may delay a response from our support team. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more about this topic or how to get started with Tekla Structures? Just check out the video's description for additional links to our user assistance page or our Getting Started guide.